You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this German politician, member of the German Bundestag, the German way, and how you can easily say in English. German pronunciation here: Friedrich Merz. Friedrich Merz. If you cannot pronounce German perfectly, in English the pronunciation is usually as Friedrich Merz. Friedrich Merz. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.